Hello. It's DMV Test Buddy again. Today we'll look at one of the most common situations that even experienced drivers have doubts about. Let's try to see how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. Is the driver of the yellow car allowed to enter the parking lot? A. Allowed. B. Prohibited. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. In the picture, we see a yellow car that is about to turn left into a parking lot in a place where a U-turn is supposed to be made. It is very important to know the meaning of the sign here. The U-turn place sign, which is shown in the photo, only allows a U-turn. It does not allow a left turn, even if such a physical possibility exists. Violation of this requirement may result in a fine and be regarded as an improper maneuver. So, if you want to get into the parking lot on the left, you need to first make a U-turn in the permitted place, and then turn right into the parking lot, moving in the opposite direction. So, confess, who of you quickly answered correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.